Welcome to the video tutorial on Linux pipes, grep and sort command. If you are new to Linux, you might wonder what role do pipes play in running the operating system. Well, they are not the real pipes that you have in mind. The symbol pipe denotes a pipe in Linux. If you want to use two or more commands at the same time and run them consecutively, you can use pipes. Pipes enable Unix or Linux users to create powerful commands which can perform complex tasks in a jiffy. Let us understand this with an example. When you use the cat command to view a file like the file fruits here, which has a lot of pages, the prompt quickly jumps to the last page of the file and you do not see the content in the middle. To avoid this, you can pipe the output of the cat command to less, which will show you only one scroll length of content at a time. This way, you can scroll the file content using the arrow keys. And once you reach the end of the file, press Q to exit. Instead of less, you can also use the PG and more commands. And you can view the file in digestible bits and scroll down by simply hitting the Enter key. Once you reach the end of the file, you can again hit the Enter key and you would see the command prompt. This was about reading the file. So what if you have to search a file for text or a piece of information? For this, we need to use the grep command. Using this command, you can scan a document, and with this, you can also customize the search results the way you want. The syntax for this command is grep space the search string. Let us see it in action. These are the contents of the file fruits. Now we will use the grep command to look for avocado. The syntax for this would be cat space the file name space the pipe, then the grep command followed by the string that we want to search, which would be avocado in this case. Hitting enter would search the file fruits for the string avocado. Let us also use the same command to search for melon. This is how the command would search for the desired string in a file. You can use the following options with the grep command. So if you want to display the lines that do not match the searched string, you can use the option -v with the grep command. Let us try some of them on terminal. Here we will try the option I with the grep command. The I option filters the string, which is A, from all the lines in the file. This is why we would get this result. The sort command comes in handy when you are trying to list the contents of a file alphabetically. The syntax for this command is sort space file name. Let us say we want to sort the content of the same file fruits alphabetically. Right now we see that the name of fruits are all jumbled up. Using the sort command, we will easily be able to do it in a jiffy. You can use the following extensions for the sort command and get different results. So if you want to reverse the sorting of the contents of a file, you can use the option -r. Let us try it and see how it works out. Using reverse sorting, we have changed the alphabetical order of the contents of the fruit file. Let us now understand what are filters. Filter is the output from the first command, which becomes the input for the second one. When you pipe two commands, the filtered output of the first command is given to the next one. Let us understand this with the help of an example. We will again use the same file for this example. Now we want to highlight only the lines that do not contain the character A in lowercase. We will do it this way. This is how we can filter the output of the first command and use it as the input for the second one. Now what if we want this result in the reverse order? We will need to run this command for the same. Here, the cat command would display the contents of the file fruits. The result would be outputted to the grep command, which will not search for strings which contain the character A. The output of this command would be then worked on by the sort command to display the result in the reverse order. This is how we can use filters. Let us summarize what we have learned today. Pipes help combine two or more commands. A filter in a pipe is an output of one command which serves as the input to the next. The grep command can be used to find strings and values in a text document. Sort command sorts out the content of a file alphabetically. Less PG and more commands are used for dividing a long file into readable bits. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.